In this video, I will show how to save a table from Excel as a picture. So firstly, select your table in the Home tab. There is the option Copy. So click on this drop down. Select Copy as Picture. Here are some more options. Appearance you can set as shown on screen or as shown when printed. And once you select this first option, you can select Format, Picture or Bitmap. Then click on OK. Now you can paste. So right click and paste. So you have this picture, your table as picture. You can use anywhere in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint like this. Right click and wrap text and select in front of text. Now you can move anywhere. There are second option. So select and copy as picture. Now select this second option, OK, and paste anywhere like this. You can increase or decrease the size. So thanks for watching.